Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: what was given to Paul in order to keep him humble? Now, hint, it's going to be in 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 7. And that's where we'll start today's podcast. Comment below. So jumping right in, we start that because of these surpassingly great revelations, therefore, in order to keep me from becoming conceited, I was given a thorn in my flesh, a messenger of Satan to torment me. Now, reading this, we see that Paul, it's a battle that he's facing physically, spiritually. When we step back, we realize God is allowing this to happen. Paul to stay humble. Paul to be directing and shepherding correctly people to God. Talking about his weaknesses as much as the strength that God gives him. You have to understand that sin is evil. But God can still use it for his good. So today, reflect on yourself. What are you battling? What are you putting more focus on than you're putting the focus on God? We think about not sinning. We think about doing good. But the true answer is putting full focus on Jesus Christ. He will overcome that sin, not you. And when the focus is on him, you won't sin. But when you focus on not trying to sin, well, trust me, you will fall at some point. And that is God humbling you and letting you know that you can't do it by yourself. So today, put your focus back on him, lean on him for help, and understand that he's got you. To answer our question from before, it is a thorn in the flesh. We don't know exactly what that was for Paul. But by grace, he keeps moving forward and keeps helping more and more people. So today, do the same. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.